guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amy and I'm going to be reacting to Produce 101's concept song. This is going to be ㅅknock. I feel like this performance might be a little sexy just from what I can see from the first image. I know a few people in this group, but I don't know everyone's names. I know what they look like, so forgive me for doing that. But yeah, without further ado, let's watch the video. From the lights, it looks like a got7 vibe for some reason, just because it's purple and blue. Is that Daniel? It's Daniel. Oh, that reaction though. That's how I would react too. He looks so different without his like very pink hair. I don't know his name, but I like him. I know he's like, he only trained for a little bit, but he's like really good. And there's Dongho. He is such a man out of everyone in that group. I don't know why. He's just like the strongest, and that just makes him a little bit more manly in my opinion. But yeah, I'm getting like a got7 vibe from this song. I think it's just like the lights, because like Never Ever had the same purple and blue mix to it. I'm not saying anything like plagiarism, but I'm just saying it's like very similar, and I think it's pretty cool. Like very seductive. He looks so different. Like Daniel looks so different. Like he's acting so different too. Like super sexy, super sexy. Like I can't get over it. And his eye contact, his camera eye contact, is great. Hey. And then I do that. Oh my gosh. I wonder who's center. I can't really tell. Like when he walks up, he's just like, yeah. This is like body rolling music, like. Hey, they got it all down, like that movement though, it was very sexy. I wish there were subtitles or something, because I wish I could understand what they're saying. Dang. His vocals though. Like his vocals were so good, they fell and died. Please ignore me. And the crowd is like going wild for them. I wonder who won this concept, because from what I can hear, it might have been them. I'm not sure, I haven't watched the episode. But yeah, that's my reaction to ㅅknock for their concept songs on season 2. For some reason, like earlier in the beginning, I like got a got7 vibe from it, just because of how the lighting was and like how they were dressed. Like, I don't know why. I'm like a got7 fan. I'm not saying any. I'm just saying it was very similar, because I know everyone can like use the same thing. I'm just saying I just got a vibe from it. So that's my reaction to ㅅknock, and I like the song. It's very sexy and low-key like body roll music. Like I could like see myself body rolling while I was listening to it. But yeah, I enjoyed it. Alright, that's my reaction to ㅅKnock. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Please do like and subscribe to this channel if you want to see more videos like that. Until next time, bye!